Hello, smart scientists. My name is Jenny, and I wanted to show you some really cool stuff. Um, this is going to be our science activity, and I wanted to show you my science um, instruments. So they're tools. Instruments are tools. So first with this instruments that we're going to go ahead and use because we are scientists today. And today we're going to use warm water, cold water, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to draw some fish with our dry erase markers. You can see them now. I went ahead and I drew a little fish in there on my flat plate, and this is where I'm going to use my warm water. And then right here, I put cold water. And this is the same plates. And I just added red fish, blue fish, because that's my theme. That's our theme for today. So I also brought in two straws because we're going to use this straw and I'm going to show you how to use the straws. So I brought a magnifying glass so you guys can see a little closer and see how the fish would move in the water. So we are going to start our activity, and first I'm going to show you how to do this. So I have already made a couple fish here, and I'm going to add some blue fish and some red fish to the warm plate because we're going to see what the water is going to do once we pour it into our plates. So there we have a couple of fish and then our cold water plate. We're going to add some more fish in here. You can draw a circle and then a triangle in the end like this. So I'm going to move the camera because we're going to start with the cold water in our plate. We're going to use this, and I'm going to go ahead and just pour a little bit of water into our plate slowly on the edges, and we're going to see what happens to our fish. Oh, they're starting to move, as you can see, but not all of them have moved. There's still about 4 on the bottom. As you can see, they're moving, and this is our cold plate. So now we have our warm water. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it ever so slowly into the plate and see what happens then. Okay, so it is moving, the fish are moving, and the same amount are moving around. There's 3 left on the bottom. So as you can see, the fish are moving. It's pretty cool. And then afterwards, I wanted to use the straw and they're moving. But the cool part about this is that I used the straw to blow on the bottom of the plate and it was able to bring up those fish that didn't come up. So now they're all on the top. I'm going to go ahead and do it with the cold water now to see if that would work. It did, but it only made one. So I think that the warm water is better because we were able to get all of them up and move around versus the cold water. We have still two fish that weren't able to move. So the questions are, do you think that the fish will come up once we pour water? And another question was, uh, which water would work better, the cold water or the warm water? So this was my science activity. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye now.